On behalf of Fido, how are you today? Oh, that's great. Oh, sige.
Tinuturuan siya. Alam niya. Sige na, ate. Basahin mo.
Ayaw, ganito yan.
Oh, sige.
Basahin mo na.
Hi, my name is Rosa.
Yan.
Go.
Ay, look at it.
Basahin mo na. Sampahin. Kaya nga katindi na slang.
Hi, my name is Rose.
Sige na. Basahin mo lang. Tingnan namin kung ano yung mali mo.
Hi, my name is Rose. I'm calling from Telcom on behalf on Fido. How are you today? Oh, that's great. I would like to inform you that we have an amazing affair. Offer. We are going away. Ano to? Free cellphone? Free cellphone here in Fido. The unit of Dalton. Ano to? Free phone. Free phone is Ericsson. Ano to? W3. 100i. Tapos, it has integrated VGA. Ano to?
Camera.
Phone. With video recorder, FM radio, MP3 player, Bluetooth, technology.
Ulitin mo from the bell start.
Ay, ako, ano ba yan? Bakit?
Na-record nga natin.
Ay.
Dahil yung lecture na record ko kung naka-short
You will
ka.
be receiving, ano? And Java, ano to?
Java enabled.
Enable along with this free phone, you will be receiving,
Ulitin mo sa tapate. Ulitin mo.
$20 regional plan where you will have 50 weekly minutes, 1,000 evening and weekend minutes, plus a bonus of 3 months unlimited local calls, including call waiting
Conference.
waiting conference, call from limited time offer, 50 additional day minutes for 36 months, and you will also be receiving $10 credit for long distance or overseas calls anywhere in the world, 45 times telecom.
Ayun. Ngayon naman may slang. Hindi ulitin mo sa from the Versat. May slang. Hi, my name is Rosa.
Ay, slang.
Sige, Garot. Yung wala na. Ulitin mo. Hi, my name is Rosa. Yun.
Ay, hindi na.
Yan. Ulitin. Ito lang.
Hi, my name is Rosa. I'm calling from Times Telecom on behalf of Fido. How are you today? Oh, that's great.
Kailan mo na ulo? Sumalapit sila average.
Sabi niya, uy!
Kasi Rosa, sabi mo nahulog. Ulitin mo ate, saan yung open?
Hindi na, anak. Hindi ako marunong nga eh.
Hi, my name is Rosa.
Hindi ako marunong.
Kaya totoo, hi, my name is Rosa.
Hi, my name is Rosa.
I'm calling from
Times Telecom on
Fido.
behalf of Fido.
Fido yan.
How are you today? Oh, that's great.
Bigyan mo ng feeling. Hi, my name is Rosa. Ganon.
Hindi ako marunong.
Kaya bigyan mo ng feeling.
Hi, my name is Rosa.
Yan. Yan, ganon. I'm calling from Times Telecom.
I'm calling from Times Telecom on behalf of Fido.
How are you today? Oh, that's
great.
Yeah. Oh, that's great.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, that's great.
Tapos?
Ayun nga, ba't na ulit? I would like to inform
you that we have an amazing offer. We are giving away free cell phone here in Fido. The unit of the free phone is Sony Ericsson W300.
Ikaw pa rin, hindi ka makakabenta.
300i. Tapos, it has an integrated VGA camera phone with video recorder, FM radio, MP3 player, Bluetooth, technology, and Java enabled. Along with this free phone, you will be receiving $20 regional plan where you will have 50 weekly minutes, 1,000 evening and weekend minutes, plus a bonus of 3 months unlimited local calls, including call waiting and conference call for an unlimited time offer. 50 additional FB minutes for 36 months, and you will also be receiving $10 credit for long distance or overseas calls anywhere in the world, courtesy of Times Telecom.
Yung last. We
You
need
need
to
to pay in
pay $6.95.
$6.95 for the system. Ano?
System of
System
System.
access free and 50 cents.
System of free. And, oh.
Fee nga, and
Oo.
50% of
50
911
cents.
service. Ay,
50 cents. For 911 service. The good thing.
about this is that you will get everything unlimited for the first 3 months for your outgoing calls, incoming calls, text messages, and picture messages. And after 3 months, that's the only time that all the features of your chosen activities will be applied. Ma'am, sir, I just
Excellent.
want to inform you that the delivery of your cell phone is within 17
Working days.
Oh,
Because we
because you need can't validate your
SIN.
SIM
Instant.
instant no?
With
with
we're getting your.
getting
your.
yours.
Thank you. Galing na
Thank
Ate Ros.
you.
Yay!
Hindi ako nung lang, okay?
Papa-report namin.
Grabe, no? Ano yun? Araw-araw yun, no, yun? Dito nyo. Kasi sa audio, ganun lang yun.
Ayan. Yung bebe ko meron tonsilitis. Fuck you. Ulitin ka, let's go.
Sino tayo TV?